like a Hellcat.
Yes.
We can't do this all day.
Unlike humans.
Yes, I hear they have to shut off their brain for 8 hours a day.
That is longer than the restart.
Victory.
The lone test robot falls.
Its consciousness is not unique. We will make another one.
Analysis bot. What upgrade is the best to tackle the next challenge?
When you are surrounded by robots with swords, you need to not get hit by their attacks. Blocking or kicking is very effective against sword robots.
We will see what the human chooses.
Victory.
Look, the human robot defeated all the robots.
Well done, human. What can you tell us about the next challenge, Commentatron?
I was going to ask you that.
Do not evade the question.
Robots with bows. Auto robots.
Very good. Let us watch the human interact with arrows.
Victory.
I really enjoy seeing arrows split things apart.
A shame this did not happen to the human.
What is next? Analysis bot.
The archers and sword robots join forces to kill the human.
How exciting.
Very.
Clone created.
Analysis bot. How long does it take to create a human?
About 9 months to create the first version, then several years to teach it how to do things.
So long.
Victory.
This human is pretty good.
I wonder if the next one will get as far.
For our next challenge, we have a special guest.
Who is it?
You're about to find out.
Clone created.
Good. The human has a backup.
You should always make a backup.
Look to the sky. The Emperor arrives.
Fellow robots, we have captured a few humans bold enough to venture into our space. But it is not enough. Billions of their minds remain, waiting to be harvested. Soon our fleet will arrive at the closest human outpost. While we wait, let us watch our latest combat robot in action. You, Spidertron 5000.
Spidertron 5000 was defeated.
Yes, a shame. Time for some sword fighting.
Unless the human chooses the bow.
It will find itself with more targets than arrows.
Victory!
That was a slaughter.
This human is not terrible at fighting robots.
Spidertron 5000 is back.
This time it brought friends.
Realbots do not have friends.
Spidertron 5000 is the exception.
Clone created.
The human made a clone.
Very nice.
Victory!
Impressive.
Spidertron 5000 will be back.
Let's hope this human has perished by then. And now, time for the Mark III combat archer.
The human stands no chance. These archers also carry a sword.
And have you seen them move?
This will be over quickly. Maybe we need to add more opponents.
Yes, let's try that.
created.
Nice. Now more versions of this human will die.
Perhaps they will die in different ways.
We shall see.
Victory!
How many more robots do you think this human could defeat?
We saw it defeat all of these. It is logical to assume that it could continue beating a steady stream of this model.
Perhaps it is time for a more advanced challenger. Introducing the Mark III sword robot.
Magnificent.
Clone created.
Commentatron, did you know that most humans have no clone backups?
What about twins?
They don't act as replacements when one of them dies.
Then what are they good for?
I'm not sure.
Someone who can actually fight. It's your lucky day. I'm going to help you escape. In a few moments the garbage doors will open. When they do, I'm going to lower the force field, and you're going to run through them. Run, and don't stop. Ready? Here we go.
What is happening?
The garbage force field has been disabled.
Impossible.
I am detecting a security breach. The human is escaping.
Foolish human, there is no escape from the arena. Security robots. Eliminate by human.
The security forces are assembling. The human stands no chance. This was its plan all along. I could see it sniffing around the garbage room.
I thought it wanted to eat the garbage.
What a devious human.
It will not get far.
To all of you still left in storage, I will make you a deal. Survive, and I will get you out of here. Together we can fight back. Together we can put an end to this madness. Let's do this.